Alright, one more thing forgot to show you guys. Before I put everything back together, I usually pressure test the system to about 16 psi. That's good enough. Some workshop manual recommend up to 18-20 psi, but 15-16 psi is big enough for testing anything in the system. If you have anything disconnected or anything's leaking, 15-16 psi is a lot of pressure to actually show you where the leak is. But at the moment it's holding pressure. The bottle's like still on the same level, roughly. They do go down when you pressurize it. But the car needs to be really hot and has to sit for a long time to be cold again before you actually open the actual reservoir and check the coolant level properly. I don't like to give the customer the car when I think it's good and it's still hot. I like the car to sit. When the car's ready, I prefer the customer to pick it up when the car is cold, because when it's cold I can actually top up the cooling system. Or if the customer wants to pick up the car, they can take it, but they have to top up the cooling system the next day. That's why I don't like it. I'd rather the customer pick it up and I've topped it up when it's cold, so that way all the levels good. At the same time it's holding pressure, so it's good. So this car to me has passed the cooling system test for any leaks, all repaired, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.